Then they took everything about me and put it into a computer where they created this model of my mind. Yes, using that model.
I don't want to explain things.
The surface of the earth.
We want tough-minded people.
Bite-sized now, tinier even than science, lurking in some vague electricity.
There, all right there. Look, listen, Neil, pray. It's supposed to be 1996.
Science ain't an exact science with these clowns.
Stay alert. Keep your eyes open.
We're sending you to the third quarter of 1996, right on the money.
Believed when she foretold it. Hence, the agony of foreknowledge combined with the impotence to do anything about it.
Going right out to get vaccinated.
Obvious, the Chicken Little.
Just a prank, a hoax. That boy's hiding in a barn. Wait, here. Here, do you see it? You see?
I see some red paint, some marks.
I said you can't hide from them. They got that tracking device on you.
You're one of us!
They're going to get us into some...
Us? Bleeding, letter writing stuff. Bleeding, letter writing stuff.
We weren't into that kind of stuff. It's
Bleeding, letter writing stuff. We're getting 11 army. We're going to some...
You don't. This car. Okay, big trouble. Okay, big.
There's a car.
Okay, big. No Jeffrey Goins.
Coins, fruitcake,
On tonight, lots of dead lamb, dead cow, dead pig. Come on, Mace. Come on.
Heads! We live like worms.
They said hickey.
Become some sinister revolutionary cabal! This man is complete bullshit! Ladies and gentlemen, do you realize where he thinks he comes from?
Captain Dan Miller, the man.
Oh, now do they really believe it?
It was just a prank he and his friends pulled.
On Blueberry Hill, when I found you.
You can't trick me. You're in my mind.
Trouble here. I'm losing my faith.
You sure fucked up, Bob.
I saw you in 1996.
Did you say you saw me in 1870?
Leave me alone!
Yelling won't get you what you want. You have to be smart to get what you want. To see the sky and the ocean. To be topside with her.
You can't trick us, you know.
Really? Neither my son nor any other. Cassandra disease?
Let's consider again our current information.
Secret experiments. That's what they do. They're watching you. Taking pictures.
The police. I know.
Because when I had anything to do with her 6 years ago, they educate the public. This? That's when he let 100 snakes loose in the Senate.
But we weren't into that kind of stuff. It's counterproductive. We told them.
So Then they took everything about me and put it into a computer where they created this model of my mind. Yes, using that model. Hey, 10 years? Knew I was gonna lead the army of the 12 monkeys.
There. Over there. Come on.
Let's consider again our current information.
The Army of the 12 Monkeys, they're the ones that spread the virus.
Let's consider again our current information.
Become addicted to that dying world. I can help you. Get you out.
There's things going on in this room that you don't even notice, which is a very difficult position to put people in.
But it has to be done because